Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to change lock screen wallpaper in Windows 11. Changing the lock screen wallpaper in Windows 11 adds a personal touch, creating a visual appealing user experience every time you log in. So let's start the video. To change lock screen wallpaper on Windows 11, right-click on any empty space on your desktop and then click on Personalize. Now scroll down and look for lock screen option. Here is lock screen, click on it. In Personalize your lock screen section, click on drop down arrow. Currently Windows Spotlight is selected. Now click on picture and select the stock picture from here. If you want to use your own photo as wallpaper, then click on the browse button and locate and select the image from your computer. To create a slideshow, select slideshow and then click on browse button to give location of your album for the images. Just close the window when you are done. So that's how to change lock screen wallpaper in Windows 11. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more Windows 11 guides.